What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in today. As you can see, I'm not in the garage. I am at Goodman. I've been posting HVAC related shorts lately on YouTube and they've been doing okay. So I'm going to try posting a bit of HVAC content. That's what I do on a day-to-day basis. That's how I make a living. So let me know if you like this type of video. If you do, I'll keep posting them. I'm just picking up some parts here for a GMVC 9570. It's got a leaking collector box, super common issue on this furnace when they get to be about 12 years old. So yeah, come along, check it out. I've got a couple clips on how to change one of these, so thanks for watching. If you've ever done one of these Goodman furnaces, you'll know how satisfying this is to get it off in one piece. If you've ever had one of these that's been overfired or just ran hot most of its life, sometimes you're in here with a putty knife or a paint scraper and you're just picking this thing off in 100 pieces. So one piece is always best case scenario on these. Obviously, I needed both hands to get the gasket back on. It's a peel and stick gasket. You adhere the gasket to the furnace side. I've seen some people stick it on the collector box itself. It might work that way, but it's designed to be stuck to the furnace, to the secondary, so that's the way it went on. I do run these screws in with the drill, and then I just snug them up by hand afterwards. as always, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, leave a like or a comment or even subscribe. It would greatly help the channel. I'm pretty new at this, so hopefully these videos are enjoyable for some people, and hopefully they get better in the future. Thanks.